Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you a desktop home screen transformation. So probably your home screen would be looking something like this with different icons here and there. So I'll be showing you a process of transforming your home screen from that to this, so you can see how good it looks. So it gives you a premium look. You can see the weather, birds flying and everything. So please watch the full video and you can follow along the process and you can make your desktop look like this. So let's get started on the video. The first thing which we have to do is to go a website called Pexel. So this website contains lots of free images which you can use for any purpose, and it is also available in very high resolution. So I'll be searching a background which I'll be using for this desktop customization. So right now I'm searching for evening sky. So you can use any of the images, but I'm taking this image for my demo purpose. So I will download the large file, and after downloading we'll set this image as background. After doing that, we'll move on to the next step, which is to go right click on the desktop and go to view. So in view option you will see show desktop icon, so just click on that. It will hide all the images. Now right click on the taskbar and click on taskbar settings. Then you'll see an option called automatically hide taskbar in the desktop. Just enable that, and after that you'll be seeing that once you click on the desktop screen, this taskbar hides. So the next thing which we are going to do is to go and download Rainmeter. For this also we'll be giving you the link in the description. So just download this version and save it. After saving, we'll execute this and install it in our system. So what it does is it will have multiple skins inbuilt, but you can also use customizable versions which are available on the different websites. So this is the default one which we are not going to use. This looks dull, so we'll be downloading the next one from a website called Debian Rainmeter. So Debian Art Rainmeter. So for this also I'll be sharing the link, so you can check that in the description. And the thing which we are going to search here is Lumire. So this is the skin pack which we are going to download from this site. So this is you can see the name as well, that it is Lumire, and we are going to download this skin. One thing to notice here, that it asks you to join this website, so you have to register to download this. So just quickly register to the website and select a few of the options and complete the registration. It will send a confirmation mail to your email. You don't need to confirm, but it's good if you are going to visit this website again. So but once you have registered, you can see that I'm able to download this theme. So once you have downloaded, just double click on this skin pack, and it will install the skin on your desktop. So after minimizing, you can see that it has given 3-4 widgets on the screen which are visible right now. So now we need to customize it, because you can see that I am not hip hopium. It's some name which they have given, so I need to change it. So first thing I need to do is rearrange it where I'm going to place it. So it looks pretty good over here, and weather screen on the right, and also yeah. So once we are done with this, we need to customize the size. So the size is currently too big for the screen, so we can change the scale to a smaller size. So we'll be trying out few variations to see which fits our screen better. So let me refresh the skin and see how it looks. So it's pretty small, right? So we'll be modifying it again and see how it looks now. So yeah, this seems fine now, and we'll be arranging the tiles again. The next thing which we need to do right now is change the name. So you can see good morning Ethiopian, so that is not my name, so I will be changing it. So right click on that tile and go to edit scheme. So right click and edit scheme. So you scroll down to the bottom and you will see your username. So here what you need to do is give your name and refresh the screen. So I'll be giving my name. Just save it and go to the screen and right click and refresh. So now you can see that it shows my name. Also for weather we have to do something similar. So right click on the screen and go to edit screen. And here also we'll be scrolling and you can see a URL which is directed to Yahoo Weather. So just copy this and go to this website. Here you need to search for your own location. So just click on change location and give your city name. Once you have selected your city, just copy the URL and paste it in the notepad and save it. Now we have to refresh the screen to get it updated. So now you can see that it shows Bangalore and the weather is updated up to based on the Bangalore weather. Now we are going to download few extra skins to make our desktop look more cooler. So this link I'll be sharing in the video description. You can directly follow to download this file. So after going to this link, it will show you a download option. It is still loading. So yeah, you can see the download button has appeared and just click on this. Again, it will ask you to create an account, but you don't need to actually. You can see that downloading has already started and yeah, you can see the theme pack is already downloaded. So once you have it, just double click to open it and go to the folder and copy all 4 folders which are here and go to documents, and then within Rainmeter you will find a folder called skins. Here you have to paste it. So I have this skins already available in my system, but again I'm doing a replay so that you are sure that I'm doing the right thing and you are following the same steps. Just skip the files which are already present or not able, you are not able to transfer. So now the next thing which we need to do is go to your notification area, open Rainmeter from there and go to Rainmeter dock and load. So this will give you a docking screen which you can have. So here you will have different default options which you can use. And then the next skin which you are going to load is birds. So this you can see on the top right. Once I loaded it, it started showing some birds flying around in the top corner, but it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. So we'll be changing the coordinates for this and we'll be arranging it where we want it on the screen. So I'm just trying to adjust it somewhere near the windmills so that it doesn't look too high or too low. So now it looks pretty good at this position. Okay, so the next thing which we are going to do is adjust the opacity of this dock. So you can leave as it is if you like it this way, but what I'm going to do is make this black docky area transparent. So I'm changing it to 255, 255, so once we reload the skin, it will remove that black docky area. Now one last thing which we have to do is add a equalizer. So what it will do is like you can use this equalizer whenever you are playing a music. It will show you the bouncing bars, so it looks pretty cool. So we'll be putting it in the middle. You can again adjust the scale by going to edit skin and changing the scale if it is too big for you, but for me it looks good, so I'll be keeping this one as it is right now. Also there is a refresh all button within this manage Rainmeter. So don't click on this. If you click on this, what it will do is it will restore all your settings which you did to make these changes to your name, your local city weather. Don't refresh it. So what we need to do now is do a demo. of a song, and we'll see how the audio works with the equalizer, and we'll see it in action. So overall, our desktop transformation looks pretty good. These birds are really looking nice, and the equalizer effect is really pretty cool. So I hope you like the desktop transformation which we did in this video. I'll be doing a series of different looks of desktop transformation, so stay tuned for my next videos. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. This way you'll be getting all the notifications for my coming videos. So see you in the next video.